Welcome to my video. I first made this book. This is my first golden book journal that is for myself. This is actually the first one I made, this Snow White book. I'll show you that soon, except that I only made 2 signatures here, and as you can see I made 6. Can you see that? Yeah, so I had a lot of fun making this one, and I really love it. I love the illustrations in this, so I decided that I really wanted it to be my own. So let's look inside. I made this closure there, and this is material that I just had lying around, so that was really good. It sort of matches the little girl's dress. This is some Tim Holtz paper. I really love it. And this is a poem I found in a poem book. Had a whole section about birds, which was great. Love this paper. This paper is, my mum had it, and I think maybe her grandma or her mum wrote these words in the music, and she's French, so the writing's in French. Beautiful peacock paper I've had for ages and I lost it. This is from an old magazine. It's like, it says it's a magazine, but it really looks like more of a dictionary. It's so old. And this is from a book about birds. Some more Tim Holtz paper. I love that there are lines to write on. And this is some Tim Holtz vellum. So pretty. I put this down because it's got wattle there, and I thought about the wattle bird. And I tea-dyed so much paper at one time, and it was really quick, so that was nice. Here's another poem. Old Mother Mitchin, and it's got some more in the back. I just sewed it in. And the rest of those, yeah, I fold out. I love that. And some more Tim Holtz. Oh, the other side, I think the colours go really nicely here. And this is more Tim Holtz paper. Oops. I made a pocket here, and I got this out of a vintage ephemera pack. It's got feathers. That's nice. These colours go nicely together again. This is a Kaiser Craft paper. Kaiser Craft. It's a nice violin music. I was going to sew this together to make a pocket, but I forgot, so I thought I can leave the option open, or I can washi tape it as a pocket. And it's a little story that has birds in it, or ducks. This is some wrapping paper. It's really long paper though. Oh, and my nice origami paper. I made pockets. It's really looks stiff because I only just finished it. really liked it when I tea dyed my papers because some came out really white or blotchy and some came out really dark, so that was nice. I love these dark pictures. And here in this pocket I have, this is someone's business card, but I backed it so they could write on there. And, ooh, stuck in there. It's gone very far in. But, sorry. This is from the ephemera kit I got as well. This is an old cigarette box thing, I think. That's got a little fact about a bird. Oops, is that in camera? Sorry, my hand shakes there. Anyway, that's nice. Lots of pockets if I can put it, stuff in it afterwards. This is really nice paper case of craft as well. There's some more birds, a falcon there. From a dictionary, a really old dictionary. And there's some more of that paper from the handwritten music, and I like that I can like write on there as well. And this is from my ephemera kit. It's like a little paperboy story. It's really cute. I had this paper for ages. Very nice. And a quail. So yeah, here I can write a lot. I can't really write straight, so I appreciate the lines. Yeah, the boy's own paper, and then it's a whole story about him like in newspaper form, which is really cute. And this is an envelope that someone gave me ages ago in a card, so it says my name, Nicola. And this is a card actually that my friend was selling in 2008 when I was in year 8. So that was ages ago. Everything will be used eventually. I like how I stick the envelope there. I think that's really neat. Yeah. A lot of my inspiration comes from Joanna Clough on YouTube. Little Bindy is her shop. Oh, sorry, another pocket here. Has the introduction in the book about birds. Yep. Here's some more vellum. Nice eggs with the music. I love music paper. This one's like naturally coffee stained or something. Such cute drawings. And some more poets about birds. I love birds. Oh, did I miss something? Yeah. And there's like something about pigeons and vitamins. Encyclopedia that I had. It's stuff about a sunbird there. And here's some more vellum, and I stitched in a little origami envelope. It's really nice. I bought some really nice origami sheets from a shop in Fitzroy, in Melbourne where I live. Yeah, so there's a sunbird there, and I flip out this origami origami, and I just collected my washi tape from the post office, so very beautiful washi tape. I've been waiting for it for ages, and I didn't realize that I sent it to my old address, which I lived there like 3 years ago, but never mind. Yes, so I can't figure out like the significance of that, but never mind. Maybe it's there somewhere. I feel like I usually pick a particular word that relates, but not always. It's a nice fold out envelope, so I could write like a lot out in there. And I stuck that on, and then the glue like got all dark. It's annoying, but I'll probably like fix it when I'm journaling anyway. Some more music. The other side of that. And I put some more of this fold out thing, because I just really don't like the plain white too much, but I know I'll fill it all anyway, but for the sake of showing everyone, and this is a card that I got, and what I plan to do is just cover that up with like lined paper so I can write journal in it. I've done that with others, but I guess I couldn't be bothered for that one. Soon I will. Yeah, same with this one. It's actually like a little diary of a raven. It's so cute, and yeah, I'm gonna cover that up. I don't even remember like who those people are that gave me the card. Oops. Yeah, some more. That's really nice. I love the bird cages there. Oh, I hope you can see it. My camera is a little bit. There we go. Yeah, some bird silhouettes there, and I love this as well because it's like detailed, but then you can still see the lines to write on. I think it complements the colors. I love this picture, it's so pretty, and this is from a letter writing set that I just got. It's an envelope that folds into a letter, which is cool, and I just thought that the colors really went well together there, so that's fun. See, this is like a really light tea. Okay. Right, so my video stopped because I ran out of space, of course. So yeah, that's a letter kit. That's really nice. Started writing to my friends overseas already. I might have to get some pen pals too. Some plants. This is some really nice wrapping paper that I got from the bookshop, and I'm in love with it. I actually think it's, you know, obviously we can reuse wrapping paper, but it's nicer like in journals. And this is an old card I had too with the new washi tape. I got a lot of new washi tape. It's pretty amazing. I went a bit crazy. And this is like I've done this with normal paper before, but I'm not tracing paper, and I like that I could put a photo in there or something, and like you could still see it. And I found this in a paper pack I got. I love ours, so it's nice. Some more poems. And this I think I got it in the same paperback as the owl thing, just vintage paper, and I got lots of bird stuff, which was good. I like how this all goes really well together too. It's the other side of the letter. Oh, and the snow is so pretty. And I don't know, just love this picture, and it really goes well in the colours as well, the greens, all the greens. This is a book page from The Ugly Duckling. this is a bookmark I got at the Nightingale and the Rose exhibition, which was, it's like a little story that was animated, and the artist was really beautiful. Let me see, does it say it? By Catherine Barden. Yeah, check it out if you can, because it was really nice, quite special. And this is the card I got. And I covered up the writing, and I just I put my own music paper there, so I can write on it if I want to. Oh, and this is a big page of the wrapping paper I got. It's so pretty. Got this paper from like a $2 shop, and I had this paper for ages. Yeah. And this page, I love it because it talks about the kookaburra, and I thought it was cockatoos, but it's not. Anyway, I think it would be nice to put a photo of a kookaburra as well. Oh, and this is an old card as well, which I've just put the music paper on it so I can write. And I like that it's sewn as well. I ended up sewing the entire page here because like usually I start from there downwards, but I started from there upwards, and I was like too lazy to, I don't know, stop and start again. I just thought, oh, you know, whatever, I'll just do that, that's fun. So it's nice, I think. I love the sewing. I think it looks good. And this is, oh no. Oh yeah, so I picked this page because of this, but this is somewhere in just Australia somewhere. And this is a card I got too. My friends gave it to me, and then I just, like the writing was on here, so I ripped it off. And I sewed this one as well. I started sewing there, and then my sewing machine had a fit. And I think it just, it ran out of the bobbin, but usually it often has a fit. And then there was the barcode there for the Kaisercraft, and it's this is wrapping paper too, and it actually feels really cool, so I like that. And some more Tim Holtz stuff. Yeah, that's where I ripped off the thing, but it's okay, I can like stick something on there, or yeah. Yay, goose. Oh, the Victorian Egg Marketing Board. So that's fun. I have 2 of these. I got it in that ephemera pack, and I thought that's really cool. And eggs and birds, so yay. Ah. That's about it. Yay. So it has like a total of, I don't know, I counted, and it was like, with all the bigger pages, it was about 140, and so it'll have a bit more than that, but like, it didn't count these little ones or these little ones. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I want to add a little trinket here, like with beads and stuff. But that's it for the moment, and now I want to fill it in because I've shown everyone. So here I just close it up, and I'll probably add maybe tags or something here. I'm not sure really. This is the first time I'm junk journaling, so I'm just gonna have a bit of fun with it and use all my washi tapes. These are the washi tapes I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it doesn't end there. And oh, this one. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And also, I've never used this one that I have already. It's a bit like specific, I think. That's why I haven't used it, but it's really pretty. Mushrooms and music, so I think I'll definitely be using that sometime soon. Okay, next I'm gonna film the Snow White one. Thanks for watching. I'll be making more videos, and hopefully you'll be able to, like, my filming will be better, but it's hard to see. There's not a lot of natural light in my house, so thanks for watching. See you next time.